Engineering is sometimes referred to as an invisible profession, and that's because it's so successful. We only tend to hear of the failures. We don't tend to hear of the day-to-day successes where we flick the light switch, the light comes on, we turn our gas cooker on, we can cook dinner, our medical equipment works, we can fly an aircraft and drive cars on roads, bridges that work, and cars that work, aircraft that work. But getting there isn't always that easy. A lot of hard work goes in behind it, and a lot of hard thinking. Many problems have had to be solved, many challenges overcome to get to that success and to ensure that invisibility that we take for granted. Engineers need a good toolbox to help them solve that problem. We think of a toolbox and we think of engineering perhaps as something old-fashioned, wrenches, spanners, screwdrivers. But really the toolbox that we need is the mental toolbox and those thinking skills that we need. Over 100 years ago, Rudyard Kipling put a poem at the end of a story called The Elephant's Child, and he referred to as 6 honest serving men. What, why, who, when, where, and how. And it's these 6 honest serving men, they're our key tools and they're our key helpers to solve engineering problems. One of the big problems that many younger engineers face is trying to solve the how of a problem before asking the what and the why of a problem. So not only do we need these six helpers, we need to use them in the right order. If we ask what we're trying to do and why we're trying to do it first, then we can define the problem correctly, and then we can start dealing with the how, the challenge of how to solve that problem. There's an old saying in engineering that the expensive mistakes are made in the first hour. Unfortunately, it's something that I myself have seen a few times with a few battle scars over the years. We don't want to forget the who and the where, and the who and the where either. Ethics is important in engineering. We need to know who we're affecting. Overall, engineering is a profession that is answerable to society. It's not just applied science. We are doing something on behalf of society, and we need to know the where we're doing it as well, and the when. Are we affecting the environment? Are we affecting other people? And when it'll be ready, we are always using resources, many of them finite and many of them limited, and we must use them sensibly. That's always important. But all the time coming back to what and to why we need to know.